Want to order something from Temu but not sure where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to place an order on Temu, from finding a product to completing your checkout. First, open the Temu app. Once you're on the home screen, you can start browsing through the different categories or use the search bar at the top to look for a specific product. Take your time exploring the available options and checking out different deals. When you find something you like, tap on the product to open its details page. Here, you'll be able to view photos, read descriptions, check customer reviews, and see available options such as size, color, or style. After selecting your preferred options, tap Add to Cart. You can continue shopping and add more items if you'd like. When you're ready to place your order, tap the cart icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Review your items carefully and make sure everything looks correct. Next, tap the Checkout button to continue. You'll now need to enter your shipping information, including your name, address, and any additional delivery details required for your location. Double-check everything before saving to avoid delivery issues later. After that, choose your preferred payment method. Temu supports several options, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and other payment methods depending on your region. If you have a coupon code or discount voucher, this is the perfect time to apply it. Simply enter the code and tap Apply to see if it reduces your total. Once you've reviewed your order summary, shipping details, and payment information, tap Submit Order to complete your purchase. Your order will be placed, and you'll be able to track its progress directly from the Temu app.